Who's ready to pull an engine? Are you ready?
He actually is. He's lying.
All right, boom, baby. Who's ready to start it up? Just kidding. Oh, and yeah. Louie decided he wanted to help, huh, Louie? Little junkyard dog, huh? Oh, and there's Hashi. Oh, thank you, Hashi. Here comes Blue, I'm sure, too. Oh. All right, back to work. All right, so check this bad boy out. Yeah. Dude, isn't that rad? I got this little hinge joint. Oh. The dogs all want in on it. All right, so I'm going to get these manifold bolts off now. So I'm right on those two, which I'm glad I got. This is stuck, I swear. There's like no room under here. And he wants to sit under here. All right, whatever. That's fine. All right, so still not coming off. Let's see if we can see it. Oh, no. So I'm going to try and get it on the bottom where they both come together. Here, I'll show you. So here's my next thought, because I've heard people tell me that those can break off and get broken. So maybe it'd be easier to get them off when the engine's out. So I'm going to try and take it off here. And then I think there's plenty of room to just take it off with the headers on, or the exhaust manifold on, you know. All right, I tried doing it from underneath, but let's just try crawling in and doing it this route. So trying to figure out how to get the exhaust disconnected, being really challenging because everything's rusted and corroded. So that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Right now I'm trying to see, maybe just disconnect it farther down or see if there's an easier way. I've got one connector here, and then there's the one right here too, you can see. So just trying to see if I can get those off instead. Yeah, all right. One down. Only. Oh no. Oh, that scared me. I thought I broke the bolt off, but it's just a bolt, or whatever you call it. It's that versus one piece. All right, that's awesome. It's so funny. It's just one little bolt, but it's so good knowing at least I got one. I'm gonna have to do the bottom on the underside. Let me see if I can get this top one. See the challenge? Come around here, Grace. The challenge on this one is, look where this is. It's down here on this side. It's way under there. So unforgiving. Oh, I got dust on my. Woo! All right, so now I'm back with the extensions. I'm gonna try and get this bottom piece of exhaust off. Here comes Blue. So I'm trying to figure out how to get the angle because it's kind of a bad angle. So that's. Thought I had another extension. Oh, yeah. Look at this. How's that? 3 extensions. Yeah. Boom, baby. You like that? Huh? Huh? I know you do. All right, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Ah. I have too much dust falling on my face, so I can't open my eyes right now. But my genius assistant recommended this angle, and it works out great. So, we're in business, baby. Somebody tell me when it's out. Hey, buddy. What's up, buddy? This bolts. I swear, these bolts do not want to come off easily. I keep getting dust and dirt on me in my face. What? All right, I'm back up top. I was trying at it for a long time under there, trying to get it to rank off, but it wasn't happening. So hopefully I get better leverage up here. So let's go back to up here. Boom. All right, back in the truck. Hopefully this will work. You know what's so funny? I'm sure other people that do this all the time or have more experience probably get it done way faster, but you know, whatever. They're not here, so boom.
Need to power this one, but I don't think that's gonna fit.
My dog's literally playing with rocks over there. Blue, why are you playing with rocks? Goofy dog. Any ideas, people? Come on, give me some good ideas. Something I can use, please. All right, so where I am currently stuck is I am trying to get, I'll show you, hold on. This bolt right here. And it's been very challenging. I've been able to use my wrench to get a better hold, but that's what I'm working on now. So, yeah, if I could get this bolt, I'd be a lot happier. Because once this bolt's out, then I'm pretty much good to go. But it's weird too, because this bolt is a different size than the other side of the same pipe. I don't know how that makes any sense. I'm literally trying every angle. I'm now sitting in the engine bay. I find that getting the right angle on these things is half the battle. So wish me luck. Anyone back there? Nope. Nope. Just me. All right. So I'm going to get some WD-40 so I can pop off these bolts. I'll soak them up tonight. I don't think Frankenstein realizes that this engine's supposed to come out today. So I think he missed that email. But it's all right. We're going to spray it and hopefully pop this bad boy out tomorrow. So boom, baby. Like and subscribe, people.